Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I want to tell you at least one good reason you should consider getting this Pure Zone Mini Air Purifier. The first and most beneficial use I found, and the main reason I got this, is inside your car. Specifically, we use this in our family car, and since we have 3 small children, we often end up letting them eat while we're driving, which means it ends up smelling like whatever they ate. So it's best suited for small spaces. It's small enough to stay out of the way when not in use, and portable so you can put it right where it's needed. You can also run it at your work desk if you just need to improve the air quality that you're breathing throughout the day. I think this would work best by pointing it right at your face using the handle as a stand. The HEPA filter this uses is easily available to order online, so it won't become a paperweight. I really like that it charges with USB-C, so I can charge it on the go, really anywhere I would normally charge my phone or tablet. So if you want to improve the air quality in your car or other small space, and you want the portability and flexibility of a rechargeable device, I think this Pure Zone Mini Air Purifier is a really good choice. And that's my point of view.